So good afternoon everyone, I am Darnit Seneri from BPED 2C. I have created a game. The game name is Hexagram Game. So the game goal is to draw a hexagram shape as fast as possible while maintaining speed and accuracy. The materials needed is a blackboard and a chalk and a timer or stopwatch. So how to play? So first set up the player in a distance of 15 feet and each player takes turns on drawing hexagram shape 2 strokes at a time. Each player must draw 2 strokes until they completed hexagram shape. So the first team to draw the hexagram shape fast and accurately wins. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! So guys, the team 1 is the winner.
Let's go!